The course is serious but fun. So this online was a superb opportunity for me that gathered so many people from different countries and from diverse backgrounds and cultures. It brings different dimensions, but also it brings the notion of ability and skill. You bring the concepts to practice. Thank you very much for that. I definitely recommend the course.
It was a great experience. The COF is complex enough, the cultural framework that I could work with different kinds of clients. I could pick off individuals could participate in it, and then we could use it as a growth experience for an individual coaching set of coaching structures. But I could also take it and use it for their teams or for larger pieces inside an organization. It's not so threatening because of the way you can lay out, here are the observations, what do you see, and how can we look at interventions that will support you in terms of your strategic goals or the way you want to go.
Excellent. Approach was very structured. Philip is very experienced facilitator. This is a tool which does not put people into the box. This gives you language to discuss and gives you new perspectives.
The program was brilliantly delivered by Philip, Beck, and you. Two words come to my mind: powerful and pleasant. Great combination of learning, practicing, reflecting. So having this program over 3 weeks for me was a way to sustain the learning and the knowledge and the results.